Hello team, good morning, welcome back. It's Friday 11. Oh yeah, it's already Friday. Monday I have a flight, let me know what time, because I'm gonna be away like 10 days I guess. Okay, Monday maybe I make the morning video and then I leave. I'm gonna be away 10 days, guys. I mean, I can post charts, but I cannot trade. I go in the United States and they're gonna fuck my account up, and I don't wanna get my account fucked. So I will just make paper trading, paper analysis, whatever it's helpful. Anyway, it's the last day of the week. We got plenty of news in New York. Yesterday we got news in New York too. I never know if CPI is the important one or PPI is the important one. I think most of the move was done by President Trump's speak on Friday before FOMC, which is this move. I have a limit buy order here and I never got filled, and then this fucker sent the most from the World War, like 13%. So I'm a bit pissed at myself, a bit pissed. I wanted to get in stocks and I didn't. I don't know if this is the end of the crisis, to be honest. I'm not so sure. I really thought they would go lower. But whatever, we trade euro and let's stick on euro. Let's start with high time frame as always, because we we tapped into into monthly. So yeah, we need to consider monthly. Okay, what's happening here now? We took 1-2 swing high monthly. In premium. This is premium, guys. This is a super big, efficient move down. This one is like big money stepping in. Big money. We are back in OT into this beautiful week. I don't know, this is not really an engulfing, but almost, look the wick. Open here, take all the way the previous candle down, and then finally close below. Didn't close below, goes below previous low and then close in the middle. But still, it's not an engulfing, but it's an important candle. I think also every broker has the same, so there is no escape. This to me is bearish when I see this type of thing. If I see price taking a lot of liquidity here, we're talking monthly liquidity, inside a bearish resistance, it was tested, but it was also not efficiently tested. It never went into the premium side of the resistance. Now we did. I mean, I don't want to scream bearishness. Oh, we're gonna go die. We're gonna make a new low. No, but here, I don't feel comfortable to long anymore at all. I think we can easily have a pullback and maybe possibly keep going higher. Possibly. I don't know yet. That depends on FA, economy, and blah, 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 blah. Now, how low can we go? Who knows? For sure, this one looks like almost another block to me. Let me see on H12. Sorry. Yeah, on H12, this is like a bullish origin. You cannot define to this one, honestly. What time was done? Yes, London. That's lovely. This is yesterday's session, basically. This is yesterday's session from London, whatever, fuck open. From New York to London close. And then they send it higher. This is beautiful derivative. I mean, yesterday, no, this is 2 days ago. I don't know, yesterday was busy, I was on the charts, but I don't know if I could have get into any long here. I mean, the price was really like delivered in a beautiful way. But anyway, let's stick to what we're doing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, Right now, I think we're still bullish. but I can see pull back into this area in 111. Here we can clean the chart a little bit and make it, and maybe refine to this beautiful little block. Yeah, 111 seems possible. I don't want to rush myself. I would like to close the week with a win. All the start structure are still bullish, but I don't care, to be honest, guys. I feel comfy too long. Look what they did in the end. Look what they did on Friday. They send it higher, full pullback, make everybody almost bearish here, and then finally deliver. This is Euro favorite game. They always chop everybody out before doing the real move. It's not like, look at this, bam, we send it. No, they love to fuck people over, and that's why I love Euro. We get in when people is fucked. Anyway, on M15, we kind of shifting the real structure now. This is the last low that made a new high. They're kind of BMSing up right now, which is 840 IM where I live. So once I see this one, technically I'm allowed to trade shorts. I consider still the trade as a counter, so my targets are much closer, but I think it's doable to get in shorts because, as I said, we are coming from an extra valid resistance. The problem is that this is also a valid support. So why I'm mentioning this out? Because this was made in London close or New York close and descend the price beautifully. So if you touch this one down, then I'm not allowed to long, a short. So I don't know what to do. This is a valid resistance high time frame. This is a valid support low time frame. I know you can say that high time frame wins. Yes, but this is also untested. So if I see something bullish here, probably they're gonna send it higher. I mean, I don't see too many high probabilities right now, but I think there is a lot of liquidity here. And I see liquidity here too. But let's say this liquidity means shit unless bears get in control. Really, guys, I don't know how many times I took losses just because I look liquidity and I say like, they're gonna go there, they're gonna go there. No, they don't. So yeah, be aware. I will just stay at charts and wait for something a little bit more clear. I don't wanna jump into short just because the high time frame is correct, because listen, I can't even count the times that I did something like this. This is an untested support. Let me see. This untested support is actually confluent with this huge resistance, you know, which made 1 second, sorry. Oh, what I'm doing. Oh, fuck's sake. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, guys. This untested support is confluent with this resistance. Sorry, not untested. This resistance made the move down, and we are talking about 1,000 pips. Okay, so this resistance is now turning support. So this is not a low time frame support. It's a low time frame support. If I'm here, okay? If you only look at this is a small time frame support. But if you zoom out, as you should, this is becoming a support, a resistance support flip, okay? All resistance now becoming support. So the fuck I know if they're gonna just dump here and then take higher prices, you know? I can totally see that. I can totally see something like this. Because now we got liquidity over Asia, you know. You're gonna see this liquidity and say, look, there is liquidity here. Look, there is more liquidity here. Yeah, you're right. But this is also liquidity here, guys. This is Asia high liquidity. This is Asia low liquidity. The fuck I know that they're gonna do this. Something like this. Rate BMS, take off. And you're gonna say, oh, but this low support, send it higher. No, it's not a low time frame support. It's a big resistance that now turn support, you know. So many times I see in Discord groups, and not even in my chat. I'm sorry, in my Discord group I think people is pretty mature, but you know, I'm invited in other groups. I don't want to name them because they're all awesome, to be honest, and there are super good traders there. And I see so many people asking like, hey, X, why do you think we're gonna take previous week high? Hey, why do you think you're gonna take previous week low? Or do you think this is high of the day? This is the high of the week? Everybody asking this question. Like, honestly, guys, I don't understand. Why would you ask a question like that? First of all, if somebody give you a proper answer, it's not your answer. It's somebody else's view. So if it's correct or wrong, you can blame anybody. Okay, it's okay to get some feedback, but you don't have to base your idea or bias on somebody else. Just execute your fucking plan. It's not that difficult. If the plan allows you to trade, whatever you believe is the high of the day or the week of the day or whatever you believe, just do it. You know, I don't want to criticize anybody. I was like this before, but now, for example, I don't try to predict what price is gonna do. I just react. I mark out important areas, support, resistance, especially untested ones that generate decent move, significant moves, and then I respect the price. If we get in a support, despite us now being fucking bearish, okay, on low time frame we are bearish. If you open M1, you're gonna say, oh, look at this, we are dumping, okay. But once we get into this support, I respect the price. I'm not going to short blindly in here. For me to keep shorting this shit, I need to see something like this, you know, break it down and maybe we come back and we short it. Then, yeah, possible, market make Excel model and go for it. But just respect the price. When you get here and you see some bullishness, maybe it's a good idea to long. If not, you wait. You know what I mean? If you're really bearish now because we touch weekly, monthly liquidity in a weekly bearish in a monthly bearish of the block, just wait for a lower support to go, wait for hourly market structures to become bearish, and then you start to short the hell out of it. I'm sorry, this video was a bit too long. I wanted to talk about a few things. I hope it helps. I wish you all a nice day, and I talk to you maybe Monday in a short video or around April 22, 23rd. But meanwhile, I will always post charts in the Telegram group. Okay, bye.